With that, I need all of you to put on the blindfolds, and we're going to reshuffle the briefcases. Now, the opposite side will be picking briefcases this go-around.
Joe, watch people's body language as they open it. Yeah.
Would you like briefcase number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
3.
All right, third briefcase.
Oh, give me 2.
I'll put it on your podium. How about you, 1 or 2?
1.
Here you go, Morris. That leaves you with the final briefcase. Now, only the people with the briefcase may remove their blindfolds. Look at what's inside your briefcase. Only they know what's in there. All right, I need all of you to close it now. You may take off your blindfolds. Start the 10-minute timer. Let's see how this goes.
Do you have it?
I might have it. Do you have it?
I don't have the money now.
What about y'all down there?
Don't have it.
So nobody here has it.
That's just factually not true.
Somebody has it.
I don't think the sandstones have it.
I agree with you.
I feel like you're all being sus, so I can't really. Well, duh.
I think the Morrises have it, and I already placed my vote on who I want to get rid of.
I think Clippers have the money. If you're making your decision now, that means y'all have the money.
That's what you think, bro. Like,
I'm voting for Morris.
I think Morris has the money.
I'm telling you, they've got the money, bro.
I'm sorry. I love you all.
3, 2, 1. Time is up.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
The first vote is for Morris. The second vote is also for Morris.
I'm so nervous.
Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me?
The third vote is for Durting. If Durting gets another vote, it's a tie. If not, the Morris twins will be opening their briefcase. The final vote is Durting. We have a tie. You guys have 3 minutes to decide. The 4 of you recast votes, either for Durting or Morris, to break the tie.
Wait, so who should I vote for? He looks so stressed out.
Is he fake stressing?
The Morrises have the money. Vote Durting if you want to continue, is what I'm saying.
Don't put my name down.
You see, like, they're trying to, like, save themselves now. That's what I'm saying. Just listen to the boy. Like,
Kristen, what do you think?
10 seconds.
if you want to make it the top 3, just put their name down. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me.
4,
Or maybe they're lying.
3,
Trust me, bro.
2,
Trust me.
1. Pins down.
I hate to do it, bro.
Let's tally these votes. Morris or Durting, one of you is opening your briefcase. Our first vote is for Durting. Our second vote is also for Durting. The third vote is for Durting. The fourth vote, which is now irrelevant, is also Durting.
4?
All 4 of them voted for the Durting twins.
Bro.
Reveal what is in your briefcase.
Fourth place, baby!
Oh, no.
Fourth place!
Told you.